Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you low-calorie recipes for beef stew. The ingredients you will need are 1/3 cup of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 1/2 pounds of beef stew meat cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cut-up onion, 3 cups of cut-up potatoes, 2 cups of carrots, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of canned green beans, 1/2 cup of frozen peas, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sweet Hungarian paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground thyme, 1 bay leaf, 3 cups of beef stock, 2 teaspoons of kitchen bouquet, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. The first step is to mix 1/3 cup flour with 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix them together and coat the beef stew meat. In a large pot, heat the 2 tablespoons of oil. Brown the meat in the oil until it's browned on all sides. After the meat is browned, add the vegetables. Now we add the seasonings. Pour in the 3 cups of beef stock, 2 teaspoons of kitchen bouquet, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir all of the ingredients together and bring to a boil. Then turn the heat down to low and simmer for 2 to 3 hours or until the meat is tender. Remove the bay leaf. And those are some low-calorie recipes for beef stew.